Okay, we're going to learn a new sound symbol today that we're going to add to our letter card deck, okay? Our new sound that we're learning today is the letter U. The letter U is nicely curved like this. It makes the sound So sometimes you'll hear me or see me go like this, So that's our little reminder that letter goes, Can you say that? Can you do it with your thumb going up? And we do that because it feels like we're pushing our air up. Let's do it again. Do you feel that? Okay. This is also a vowel, one of our vowels. Okay. The U is usually placed in the initial and middle part of a word. You'll never see the letter U at the end of a word. Okay? So at the beginning and then the middle. All right? So we're going to put our new letter on a card. So let's write the letter U. Right there. Let's write the letter U. Good. And let's make little dots at the beginning and the middle so that we remember that the letter U is at the initial and middle parts of a word. Is it at the end of a word? Is the U ever at the end of a word?
No.
No. Okay, that's one of our rules for U. Our key word for U is umpire with umbrella. Umpire starts with the sound and umbrella starts with the sound Does anybody know what an umpire is? Kimberly?
A player.
He's a player. What would he be playing? What sport?
Baseball.
Baseball. But he's actually not a player. He's a referee. Okay, so he's not a player, but he kind of makes sure that everyone's following the rules. Why might he have an umbrella? Samuel.
Because it might be raining.
Yeah, it might be raining.
Thunder.
Maybe there's thunder. Okay, so umpire with umbrella. Can you say that together? Umpire with
a umbrella.
Yes, I like how I heard that sound in umbrella. We're going to color this. I'm going to give you 2 minutes to color. When the time's up, we're going to move on. Okay, we're pretending that we colored.
We'll just put it over.
All right, 2 minutes is up.
That was so short.
Okay, so yes, we colored our U.
I'm going to color real.
We'll color the next one, okay? All right, now since we've colored our keyword, we're going to do our kinesthetic approaches to remembering the letter U. Okay. First thing we'll need is our letter card. Okay? So everybody, we're going to put our letter card on the table and we're going to trace it, saying the sound, and underlining, saying the letter name. How many times?
3.
3 times. Okay, here we go. Remember, we're doing this so that our finger is connected to our brain and our brain remembers this letter sound. Here we go. Ready? Is for you.
Is for you. Is for you.
Beautiful. We're going to do it in the sand tray now. Let's do it 3 times. Go ahead.
Is for you. Is for you. Is for you. Is for you.
Yes, good job. Go ahead and erase. And I saw that we were making like bowls. Remember, the U is nice and curved, okay? All right. So when we're spelling it, we want to make sure it doesn't look like a bowl, okay?
That looks like a giant bowl.
It does, huh? Okay, the next one we're going to write it on in the sky. So we're going to put our arm nice and strong, no lazy arms. Here we go, 3 times. Is for you. Is for you. Is for you. Good job.
Sounds like you.
I'm talking to you. All right, and then we're going to share the carpet. I'm going to write the U 3 times. Remember, we're going to write it nice and curved, not like a bowl. Okay, here we go. Is for you.
is for you. Is for you.
Nicely done. All right. The next way, we're gonna now practice writing it on our, yes, we're dividing it because we're doing it only how many times? Three times. Remember to, I want you to write the letter U nice and neatly and underline it, okay? Saying the sound. Go ahead.
Is for you. Is for you. Is for you.
Beautiful. All right, we're putting this to the side now. And now since we know our letter sound for we're going to add it to a card deck. And we're going to practice with sounds we already know.
Nut.
Okay, let's go ahead and blend this. We're going to do the first one together. Here we go.
Dut.
Good.
What's that?
Kimberly, by yourself?
Nut.
Nut. Is that a real word or a nonsense word?
Real word.
Yes, I like to eat some nuts like peanuts. All
Like
right,
nuts.
your
That
turn.
squirrel eat.
Samuel, yeah.
Mut. What?
What sound is this right here?
Ga.
Let's try again.
Mug.
You got it. Kimberly, remember, the sound could be at the beginning or in the middle. What part of the word is the U in right now?
Beginning.
Yes. Go ahead, Kimberly.
Us.
You got it.
I didn't even tell them.
All
I
right.
was good in my brain and I was gonna do the first with us.
All right, the next part,
Ooh.
we're going to read some words with the sound in it. Also some sentences. So I'm highlighting the ones we're doing first and the ones we're focusing on.
Us, lug, bug, dub,
Oh, what sound is this one?
bud,
Yes, bud.
bud.
Let's do it with our finger spelling. So, bud. Bud.
Bud,
Okay, can you do that, Kimberly? Do it with your finger spelling this. Bud.
mud,
Let's try it again.
bud,
Bud. You got it.
bud,
Okay, Kimberly, go ahead and do the next one.
bun,
You got it. Samuel,
bus,
Kimberly,
up,
Samuel,
mud,
Kimberly.
bug,
Let's try that sound again. What's that first one? Do it with your fingers.
jug,
You got it. Last one, Samuel.
rug,
Rug. Okay, now we're going to read some sentences with the sound. Go ahead and start, Kimberly.
bud, bug,
What's that sound right here? Do it with your
Dug.
finger. Mm-hmm.
in the mud,
Okay, let's do it again.
bud, dug in the mud.
Beautiful. Samuel, your turn.
Big bam bug is in the bus.
Awesome. All right. Now that we've practiced reading some words with the sound, now we're going to practice spelling them. So go ahead and get your pencil ready in your hand. Love how both students are following directions. Students get a point.
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to say the number that you're going to write it on, and I'm going to say the word. When I say the word, I want you to repeat it after me, and then you may write it. Okay? First word, number 1. Bus. What word?
Bus.
Write it down. Looking for nice and neat handwriting. Great. Number 2, rug. What word? Rug. Say the word.
Rug. Rug.
Number 3, Doug.
Doug.
Say it, Samuel.
Doug.
Doug.
Doug. Okay. Oops.
Number 4, Bun.
Bun.
Say it after me.
Bun. Bun. Oops.
Bun.
No.
Okay. Number 5, last one, Up.
Up.
All right, we're gonna move on to our sentence number 1. I see Samuel's ready with his pencil on number 1. John. Okay, number 1. Listen carefully. I want you to count the number of words in the sentences first with your fingers. Ready? What are we doing?
Counting the fingers.
Counting the number of words with your fingers. Again, what are we doing?
Counting the words with the fingers.
You got it. Okay, here we go. Bud dug in the mud. How many words?
5.
Yes, 5. I want you to repeat the sentence after me. Bud dug in the mud.
Bud dug in the mud.
Kimberly, say it by yourself.
Dug. Mud. Dug.
You said a bunch of the words that are in the sentence. Listen again. Bud dug in the mud.
Dug.
But who dug? Again, listen. Bud dug
Bud dug
in the mud.
in the mud.
Now say it all together.
Bud dug in the mud.
Beautiful. Go ahead and write that down. I'm looking for neat handwriting, boys and girls.
Dug in. No.
Read it to yourself. Make sure it's accurate.
Bud dug in the mud.
All right. All right. We're going to go ahead and read all of the words, and then we're going to read the sentence. Samuel, would you read all the words for us, please? Yes.
Bus, rug, dug, bun, up.
Awesome. And Kimberly, can you read sentence 1?
Bud dug in the mud.
Beautiful. And I love how I see a capital letter at the beginning of that sentence. And I see that one student did put a period at the end of the sentence. Okay. All right.